You guys want to know what blows my mind? That I can make $30,000 in a month as a creator, and a lot of people don't even make that in a year. Like, I don't want you guys to be watching me live my best life. I want to help you do the same thing, because if I could do it, so can you. We are no different. So you snap out of it and get serious about creating content. I want to know why I became an entrepreneur. And it's crazy because my husband is very supportive. Like, my husband is very well off. So if I actually wanted to, I could be a wife that doesn't feel the need to work. Like, a wife that solely focuses on nurturing the children, cooking, cleaning, making sure I'm taking well care of my husband as well as my children. That's what a stay-at-home mom is. That's what a stay-at-home wife does. But for me, it has always been weird for me to ask my husband for money. Like, I don't know why, but it's always been weird for me. Even though I know, like, what's his is mine, what's mine is his, it's ours. But it's still always been weird for me to ask my husband for anything. And that plays a major part in why I became an entrepreneur, because I wanted to have my own money. Like, I wanted to have my own. Not saying that there's nothing wrong with having your husband 100% support you. I feel like that's how it's supposed to be. I don't believe in 50-50, you guys. That's one thing I want to set clear. I don't believe in 50-50. But since I'm the person I am and I feel the way I feel, like I need to provide for myself, like I need to produce some type of income where I don't have to always constantly ask my husband for money, like ask my husband for anything. Where I am today, I never have to ask my husband for anything, and I am very proud of that. Like, even if it's like food shopping or like stuff for the kids, I don't like to ask him for anything. I've always felt the need to like help my husband whenever I can, any way, like income wise, help wise, like service, anything that I could do for my husband, any way I can help him, I want to do. So that is literally why I became an entrepreneur. Like I said, not all moms are going to feel this way. Not all women are going to, not all wives are going to feel like how I feel. Some people are completely okay with asking their significant other for money or for support, which is okay. Like I said, you're supposed to do that. But something in my brain just doesn't click, and it's like, do it yourself. Like, that's just how my brain works. Thank God I was blessed with such an amazing husband where he never forces me to like do anything. Like, he never forced a job on me. Like, I've had jobs before. I've worked in daycares. I've done like pretty much daycare. Like, I used to be a preschool teacher. I've worked in daycare. I've worked with kids with like special needs. And then we started to open our own businesses, and then we would work in them. Like, we would work our own businesses like corner stores and nail salons and stuff like that. We would work it together. So once Skyla got older, then we had Penelope. Once we had Penelope, I literally stopped working. I would just stay home and care for the kids, cook dinner all the time, cook, clean, clean, clean. It sits well with some moms. It doesn't with some. Like, for me, it's fine. I don't mind it. Like I said, I was blessed with a husband who allows me to be myself, to be creative, to do content creation, to do social media, not force me to get a job. And I'm happy to be able to do that. And why am I able to do that? Because of social media, you guys. I feel like, I don't know, maybe you guys think social media is a scam or it can't be true. No. If you guys have been with me my entire journey, you would know that I've been doing content creation for 11 years. And now I'm at the place where it actually generates me a really good amount of income by doing nothing, by staying home with my kids. I'm home with my kids all day. I'm able to homeschool them. I spend time with them. I spend time with my husband. I would literally rather do this than any other job in the world because it's so easy and it's very enjoyable for me, you guys. Sometimes I feel like it's like a cheat code because I feel like I'm not really working, but I work. Like, I'm always working, but I'm not really working because it's something that I really enjoy doing. So I don't know if you guys have stuck in your head that being a content creator, you can't generate this type of money or people are lying. You guys, it is not a lie. I can promise you that. Like, just starting from small little checks on YouTube to then going to making money from these monetization platforms. TikTok is paying out creators absolutely insane amount of monies. Like, as a TikTok affiliate, I've made $15,000 in 1 month. Like, you cannot do that anywhere else off of social media. And who knows, social media will not always be here forever. Like, we don't know that. So you guys need to start utilizing it as soon as possible, because like I said, you never know when it's going to disappear. Utilize it while we still have it. So I don't really know what this video is. Is it like a rant, or I'm just telling you guys what's on my mind? But I really feel like you guys really sleep on content creation, or you think it's just like some dream that can't be achieved. I'm telling you guys, like, I started out as a beauty influencer doing makeup tutorials. When I first started out, my makeup was horrible. When I first started out, I used to install wigs horribly. Then I learned, and now I get free wigs, and I get paid to review wigs. It's literally like a dream. I don't think you guys understand. Then I come here on YouTube and give you guys lots of free information on how you could do the same, but you guys just be sleeping. And then I have a master course that literally holds your hand and walks you through every step that you need to take to become a successful creator like me. And I don't know. Like, I don't know what it is with people. Maybe they just like to watch other people live their best life. Like, I don't want you guys to be watching me live my best life. I want to help you do the same thing, because if I could do it, so can you. We are no different. I always tell you guys that I come from the bottom, made it to the top. Not all the way at the top, but we are well off. So I came from the bottom. I know what it's like. I know what it's like to think, oh, I will never get there, or I can't do this, I can't do that. I know what it's like. I'm telling you, change the way you think, then you're going to change your entire life, you guys. Like I said, I don't know what this video is. It's just a really quick rant. I don't know, maybe it's going to motivate somebody to actually snap out of it and get serious about creating content. It's not hard to create content. Just do what you naturally do. Like, do what comes to you authentically, because that's the type of content that is going to feel, it's going to feel like you're not even working. Like, it's going to feel like you're not even creating content, because you're literally you're going to be getting paid to be yourself, because you're being yourself. So that's what I love the most about content creation. Get serious about it, you guys. Get serious about content creation. You can be paid to be yourself. You guys want to know what blows my mind? That I can make $30,000 in a month as a creator, and a lot of people don't even make that in a year. Like, that just blows my mind. Like, that's how much the world is evolving. So you either evolve with it or you get left behind. And thanks to people like me, I try to help you evolve with me. That is my entire goal with this YouTube channel. When I make these videos, you guys have to make sure you are actually watching them, even if you have to rewatch them. Watch them and take notes. Apply the knowledge. If you're learning, consuming, and you're not applying, what is the point? Like, there's no use. What are you going to do with that? What can you show for that? Nothing. You have to apply the knowledge. So yeah, that's going to be it for this random rant video. I don't know. If you guys want more random rants, let me know, because like I said, I always have a lot of things on my mind. Maybe instead of me ranting to him, I can rant to you guys. Let me know. That's going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, you guys.